Alright guys, check it out. So I got a new awesome RC helicopter here. It's a little bit different than anyone I've used before. It's designed after the patrol helicopters from the movie Avatar. Alright, so I did have a chance to bust this out of the box and get it charged up earlier, so I'm going to pull her out and let you guys see it flying here for a second. So it's got dual propellers, one on each side, as you can see, sticking out on the sides from the main chopper. So pretty unique design. It actually ends up being a very stable flying helicopter that's a little bit more nimble and able to kind of do some maneuvers. So you get these for $25 online. I'll put a link underneath this video if you guys want to go check out this sweet little Avatar helicopter, RC helicopter for yourself. YD718 for its specifications. But alright, let's see what this thing does. So it's a 4-channel remote control helicopter. It says it's for ages 14 and up. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, right, there you go.
It says off something.
Oh. Alright, now get right in there, reach the camera towards it. There you go. You know? See, there you go. There you go. Get it like it's that Avatar ship. See how it tips? And it tip the other way? If I get it how I'm wanting.
Oh.
Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm going to do it.
I can count.
Alright guys, that is the YD718 Avatar remote control helicopter. Link below if you guys want to get one for yourself. Alright, catch you on the next video.